Babe, for today's video, Vladimir is going to have his moving up ceremony with his classmates. Let's get to it.
Next to present is grade 1 Pakana in their interpretative dance, Karumpay Nating Lahat.
Dito. 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 Ayun na agad habi dito. Ana. Hello. Congrats. Ah, great job, love. Dito. Great job, love. Good job. Dito, love. Oh, look at that. My baby is so cute. Yung ngipon anika is not complete yet since natangtang pa man ang uban. But more of the teeth are growing. Ganun nasa yung front teeth. That's why yung smile with the mayor and the public schools district supervisor and with dada. And that is his cousin. Diba cute silang doha. Actually, both of them have medals too, and they were awarded. Look at that, diba? Congrats, kiddos! Yay! Mga cute little kids. Paper cup? Yeah. That's what most people do. They throw their trash. And sometimes trash has its...
Look, another one.
Yeah, finds its way into the ocean in the end. Look at the other side. It's clearer there. Ow.
Because I think that there's a house over there, but this one is up here, so they can throw the trash here.
Yeah. How do you feel about being grade 2 next year, Pohon?
Happy. Oh my God, no, this is the first time I saw a long truck too. That's a long truck. A long flatbed truck.
It's a flatbed. Yeah.
But it's very long.
Correct.
It's like that's a Dachshund truck. A Dachshund flatbed.
Dachshund, isn't it? Dachshund? Is it a Dachshund or Dachshund?
You want to go with guys?
Sure.
Now, what do go?
Tala.
Ayaw ka daw siya.
Lagaw!
Yes, go.
Pagdali! Careful! Hoy, wait for me.
Well, kayo. I scared of the deep sea. The deep sea will fear you to the death. And the sea will drown you to death.
Ayaw po. Ano dili ka mo bay ani nga show kay
There's no, I don't watch the Paris.
wala siya Paris. Kaluoy. Sige, let me check. I'm so excited for you, love. I like the pink one. It's okay to wear pink. Uy, even if you're kuan lalaki. Wala, do not touch that kay mahagbong na siya. You will pay for everything nga imong mahagbong. No.
What I will pay?
Na, you can pay kay we are not bringing that much money. Ang may tabuan na. Ikaw ano ka?
Eh?
Ikbilin ka.
Very ka? Oh.
Ikaw, i-open. Mag-practice ra ko mama kay talagsa ra jud ko makapanahon niya ma.
Very.
Kani ana.
That's too
Ana and
small.
then you pull this just gently. Ana. Sige, kay kuyog na din ka ni mama mag-run. Because the other side. Gamay bagay na mama, gamay jud ni mama. Andi daw be sa tiil daw. Mura gamay jud na ma'am.
Kamay na siya.
Oh,
Kita ko na na.
sige ma'am.
US. 11.5 US.
Excuse me.
Did we get the 31 or 32 kalihog?
Ihatag niya ning imo ang video. Nagjegja ka dira. Loko.
Good?
Then, babe, I also remember that when I was a kid, kasi huwag ambak-ambak kay pag-uog shoes. Whoa. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next episode.